In today's video, I'll show you how to remove featured image from a post in WordPress. As you can see right here, I'm currently on a blog page. I want the post as a featured image right here. Let's assume we need to remove it. To make this change, first of all, log into WordPress admin account. Once you're inside dashboard, left side of the screen, hover on posts, and then select all posts. Now look for the post in question. My case is this one, how to choose the right computer desk, and then select edit. Once the editor loads, at the top right corner, click on three dots, and then select Preferences. Now, under General tab, look for Document Settings, and then make sure the Featured Image option is enabled. Now close this window. Once again, top right corner, click on Settings. Make sure the Post tab is selected, and here's the featured image. To remove it, simply hover on it, then click on Remove, and then save the changes. Now allow a few minutes for the changes to update, then go back to your website and try refreshing the post. And as you can see, the featured image was successfully removed. So for now, that's all for this video. I hope you found it useful. If more WordPress tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.